Out here in nature again. Got a little butterfly. A beautiful butterfly was flying around. He'll be back. Yeah. Had a little creeper now. I see who be coming out here scraping their fucking shoes on the fucking bench and shit. Leaving the bench all muddy and shit. One of them low vibrating beings. No, something. Cause it was quiet out here. Mother Nature was quiet. I knew it had to be a little invader in here. Spoke. They didn't speak back. Probably came out in the woods to do them a line or something. Who knows? Creeping out here respectfully, see ants step over. Because we are the giants. Just like it was giants that existed. For us, people don't believe that. They just believe in fucking dinosaur theory. Yeah, I believe in them dragons. Dinosaurs, I kind of think them are our bones, and of course they can replicate anything of their reptilian selves. There's a difference between a reptilian and a serpent. Big difference. What up? Bees in the cut. Right. Yeah. Get out here in nature. Like I said, it was felt a little gloomy when I stepped in here, but I understood once I seen the invader in here smoking that nasty ass cigarette. Realized the trees was just holding their breath. So I came through, you see him waving now. What up, Wardy? Should I be smoking around the mountain when I come? Ain't no motherfucking nicotine. Do like that. Thought I was gonna get to catch me a little snake out here. But I didn't. Little hound dogs over there. With the owners that like to drop their head when they come through, when they come out here and walk the dogs. Cause eventually I put two and two together. You know, day I was strolling in the park and the dogs was out here with the owners, and I recognized the dogs. Now I understand why the dogs behave like they behave when a copper tone strolling through the woods behind they ex-plantation probably. You know, they probably the ones that complained to the city about the woods. They were scared. They had a history of, strange fruit. Used to couldn't look straight through here and see their houses. Like I say, scaredy cats complain and, they remember their history. His story. Their paw forefathers told them when they was bragging and laughing and giggling about their strange fruit. So they came through, started knocking shit down. A few years ago, you couldn't even see nothing through this bitch. For real. Cause these motherfuckers, it's time change. These houses that they got because it was, off in the woods so they can come out here, if only trees could talk, but one hand on your heart, one hand on the tree, That little black butterfly, you gonna come back. That's why I busted and you came back. But yeah, see, at one point in time, these little houses, you couldn't see straight through at all. But you know how they come through, invade, tear up shit. Like you see the tracks just come through, no respect. But yeah. It's funny when you run into some dogs that go crazy. When you come out here. And then when you finally get to see the owners, oh man. Like they say, fruit don't fall too far from the tree. In their case, you see, in our case, it do, because sometimes the trees grow on hills. So when the fruit fall, it rolls far away from generational curses, those behaviors from the mothers, fathers, and the people before, the negative energy. And roll down the motherfucking hill until it comes upon those ancestral traits, that energy that come from the one family members that was stayed away from them fake and phony motherfuckers. What I tell you about my butterfly? Told you he's gonna come back. Look at it. Let me switch it around, shit. Told you he'd be back. See him over there, black with the little blue hue. Yeah. What up, Walter? Yeah, they thought I was playing, but you weren't gonna come back and fuck with me. All these woods, you came back. Yeah. They're gonna learn, man. Come on. Just take off. Yeah. Come on, show 'em. Show 'em. Yeah. Told y'all. I'm gonna play out here in nature. Command some things you command, you get. Speak it into existence. It's that real energy. That I. Like I am, that power that I am. Come out in nature, that's that power, that I. Not that weak ass energy they teach you in school. ENERGY. Them motherfuckers that cut your light off, man. So-and-so energy and power company. Them motherfuckers that cut your motherfucking lights off, man. I don't want no parts of that energy. I focus on out here energy, man. Nature. INNERG shit. You know? Real spill. It's like sticking to that G code. You know? See that? G code. Sticking to that G code. Standing on solid grounds, even if it's mushy. Still solid. Because your weight gonna hold it down, 10 toes down. You know? Yeah, man. Come out here in nature, man. Recharge, man. Sometimes it look gloomy to y'all, but for real, it ain't really gloomy. Stay in the light. Yep. Black butterflies. Yep. It's those signals. See that rock shining up there? It's gonna get through regardless. It's like the flow of water. Can't stop it. Water gonna do what it wanna do, and that rock gonna do what it wanna do. Exactly. Know what's going on for real, for real. Yep. See that path right there? Create you one. Yep. Sometimes you gotta turn around and go the other way. Yeah. Respect nature at all times, man. Shit look like it's a little hill for you. It's a motherfucking mountain for an ant. You see what I'm saying? So I'm tiptoeing, I'm looking respectfully. You know, in the end, you know, if you really go in there, you know, things ain't what they used to be. These burials. They're gonna eat you. Which don't matter, because it ain't nothing but some borrowed ass flesh. But you know, there's some people out here that worry about that. Oh, I want to go in the ground. The bugs gonna eat me. The sun's so gonna eat me. You know, the tea. 10-man motherfuckers. Worry about everything, life. They ain't worried about living. They're more worried about dying. What the fuck gonna happen? Who gonna get this? Who gonna get that? Yep. Come out in nature, man. You can come out this motherfucker, man, with so much shit, so much weight on your motherfucking shoulders. Ain't that right, y'all? Nature got a way of blowing that shit off, making you realize your worth. Tap into your greatness. Know that shit ain't shit. Let that shit, them problems blow away like the motherfucking wind. Yeah. You come out here amongst them trees, that's what they gonna provide. A breeze. A breath of fresh air. Ain't that right? See, they just blew the warm meter. Got some invaders for me to be on high alert. They probably gonna turn around though. Yeah, I didn't think so. Kept going. It's a bridge down there. I guess they said we ain't gonna cross that bridge. It's too muddy. It's too copper tone on the ground. It's too. Yeah. Hear the wind blowing. That's what's up. What up? What up? What up? Yeah. It's like coming through, getting love. What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah. Y'all thought I wasn't gonna come on this side, huh, Woody? I did, I do. Oh, they over there queuing. There ain't no flavor to the shit. Yeah, I ain't gonna go out there scared. I just came through to say what's up to y'all. Feel that wind blow. Cause I usually don't come over all the way over here. It be making me mad. They want to park the tractors and shit. Park the shit that they use to knock down nature right by the fucking place and shit. Motherfucker, what you looking at? Better play cornhole. Yeah. Come through, say what's up. Thanks for all the warnings. You know. See the napkin people over there looking goofy. I'll be smoking around the mountain when they come. Be smoking around the mountain. I'll be smoking around the mountain. I'll be smoking around the mountain when they come. Don't give a fuck, cause you don't smell nothing over there cooking. Smell nothing over there cooking. Nothing at all. Yeah. Napkin people. I got napkins. But I don't smell nothing. I'm kinda close as fuck to this cooking shit. And I don't smell nothing. Whew. Thank God for soul food. Don't forget it. Out in nature. Get them uploads, downloads. Touch a tree. One hand on the tree, other hand on your heart. Yeah. Feel the shit. Look around. See how some of the big branches, them OGs, fell, but they weren't ready to hit the motherfucking ground. And you look up and you'd be surprised they got caught by another tree. Held up by another tree to be later used as a weapon for these motherfuckers out here that want to come through, knock shit down because they feel like they want to make a path and shit out in nature. Yep. Nature ain't gonna play with you. Ain't gonna play with you. Napkin people seeing this bright ass shirt, so they don't be paying no attention, like, you know. So I say, stay alert, stay alive, and stay dangerous. Laugh, giggle, because they don't have those. So it's not an instinct for them to be on high alert. You know what I mean? They come through, they the ones that usually tear up shit. You know what I mean? Chaos. So, you know, they ain't looking around like us. We stay, you know, we gon' shit. Looking around, head on this motherfucking swivel, spin around, extras on your ass. They ain't paying no attention. Brightest color it could be. Then they look up and fuck all, you know what I mean? Looking boy. There was puddles there, stopping me. When I came through, the trees greeted me. What up, Woody? So that's what I went through. Get that love. Get that dust off my shoulder. I didn't have to go their way. I ain't need to go with their energy. Shit, I didn't even smell no seasoning.